Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the Trinity stitch. For this you're gonna need a 3mm crochet hook and a 3-ply yarn, or you can use whatever you have because we are practicing. For this pattern we'll be working with even numbers, so make sure that you have an even number of chains. I chained 52, and to start the Trinity stitch you are going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. As you can see, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet. Now you can do yarn over or yarn under. I prefer yarn under, so I'm gonna yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops. And that is my first single crochet. So now to start the Trinity stitch you are going to insert your hook into that same stitch which you did the single crochet. You're gonna insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to go into the next chain and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to insert your hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. Okay, and to complete the stitch you are going to make 1 chain. To start the second stitch you are going to insert your hook to the last stitch that you worked on, and I hope you can see clearly. This is the last stitch that we worked on. We are going to insert the hook into that stitch, pull up a loop. Since we need 4 loops on our hook, I'm going to insert the hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, and insert into the next chain, pull up a loop. Now we got 4 loops on the hook. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through all 4. Make sure that you do not make the chains too tight, because when we are crocheting in the second row it would be difficult if they are too tight. Once again, insert your hook into the last stitch that we worked on, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next, pull up a loop. We need 4 loops on our hook. And lastly, yarn over and pull through all 4 to complete chain 1. So basically you are going to follow this pattern until the end of your row, and I'll meet you guys at the end. I'm at the end of the row, so this is going to be my last stitch. So now I'm at the end of my row, so you're gonna have 4 loops on your hook. So remember, each row ends with a single crochet and starts with a single crochet. So to turn our work, we are going to chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to perform a single crochet into the first stitch. So as you can see, this is the first stitch. You're going to insert your hook into the first stitch and do a single crochet. Don't forget to do the single crochet at the beginning and then start the Trinity stitch. Insert your hook into that same stitch which you did the single crochet and insert your hook into the next. You got 3 loops, insert your hook into the next. And now we have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 4 and chain 1. So you're going to follow this pattern for the next row. So it's quite easy. If you are tired of all the double crochets, single crochets, I think this is a very easy stitch to learn as a beginner. I'll meet you guys at the end of the second row and we'll do the last stitch once again together. Okay, so I'm at the end and I'm doing my last Trinity stitch. Okay, so as you can see, you're going to insert your hook into the last stitch that you work. You got 2 loops, and into the next you got 3 loops. And this is a bit tricky. As you can see, you're going to insert your hook into that single crochet. So do not forget this. You're going to insert your hook into that single crochet and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 4. And as the first row, you're going to make a single crochet to that last stitch. You're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So don't forget this last single crochet as well. And then you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to start the stitch with a single crochet into the first stitch and then work your way with the Trinity stitch. Is a halfway completed square that I'm working on for my cardigan. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like, and I really love this texture. So we have learned the Trinity stitch, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and yeah, I will meet you guys in my next video. Bye.